Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Agoda app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to go ahead and make sure you have downloaded and installed the Agoda app. Now here it is here, Agoda book hotels and flights from agoda.com. Time recording over 100 million downloads and 2 million reviews. So go ahead and download and install the application. Now, once the app is installed, we want to go ahead and open up for the first time. Now, we will need to go ahead and sign in. So we can sign in with Google, our Google account, Facebook, or Apple. Or if you got an email account, go ahead and click onto email and put in your email and click continue to create a password, or there are other ways to sign in. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to click on sign in with Google. So if you use any free of these methods, it's going to sign you in and create your account at the same time. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google. Now I've chosen my Google account. Now you're going to say you're successfully logged in here. Now you can turn on notifications if you like. Click on to claim your prize if any pop up, and then allow it go to access this device location. I'm going to go ahead and confirm yes for that. Now from here, we're going to be taken to the home screen of Agoda. Now we can go ahead and search for hotels, flights, activities, homes, or apartments. So if I want to go ahead and find a hotel, I'm going to click on hotels. Now we need to put in our location. If you got the hotel in mind, you can go ahead and put in the hotel. But say if I'm not sure where I want to stay, I'm just going to type in Adelaide. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose the city of Australia. Then from here, you've got to choose your check-in and check-out. So say I'm doing it for this weekend. I'm going to check in Friday and leave Sunday. So I'm going to select these two and then click on OK for 2 nights. Now from here, who's staying. So if you want 1 room, 2 adults, you can change that to 3, 4, 5 children, etc. I'm just going to keep it 1 room and 2 adults, and then basically click onto search. Now what's going to happen here, it's going to show you how to use it, but I'm just going to stick out of that because I know how to do this. Okay, so from here, before you start searching, we want to go ahead and put in some filters. So if you've got a price range in mind, go ahead and set your price. So say 140 to say 360 a night. I say 690. That's my filter. Then I'm going to click back here. Now click on filters again. So I've put in that. Didn't work. So I'm just going to change this again. Say up to 1,000. Now from here, we've got the guest review score. I want it to be excellent. Star rating at least 4. Keep scrolling down. So you can play around with these filters to find a hotel or a stay that suits your needs and wants. So say I want to have accessible parking and also highly rated bar. Then I'm going to click on to show list. So we can see all more filters here on the left hand side. I'm not going to get too deep into that. Then from here, it's going to sort. So we can scroll down and then check out all the different hotels. So say I like this one here. It's got almost 9-star, excellent, some good reviews. I want to click into it. You can see the photos by clicking across here. You can click into it and see more images, a photo gallery. Keep scrolling down. It's going to show us more about the hotel, top amenities here, reviews, location, your property description here, and they've also got some helpful facts. Now for me, you want to go ahead and click on choose my room. So go ahead and choose a room. So scroll down again, find one that you like, read the description and what's included. Say for example, I want to get this one here with breakfast included. So it's got instant confirmation, breakfast included, book and pay now. So I'm going to click on book. Then from here, we need to put in our lead guest. So put in your name, your number, all that stuff. And then click on to next for final steps. If you got special requests, go ahead and jot them in here. Now we can, on the next page, we've got payment details. So double check, make sure everything's correct. Keep scrolling down here. We can upgrade your support level if you want. Then from here, we want to put in your payment method. So we can put in our debit, credit card, digital payment, and go ahead and click on book now. Then after you've clicked on book now, you should get an email confirmation, and also your booking's going to be inside of Agoda. So once you put in that booking, if we come down to my trips, your trip is going to appear inside of here. Now it's basically the same for flights. So you want to go ahead and choose flying from, flying to. So I'm flying from Adelaide Airport. Say I want to go to Sydney for the weekend. So I'm going to choose Sydney. Make sure to spell it correctly. Now want 2 passengers. Click continue. We've got economy, premium, business, or first, but I'm just going to choose economy for this demo. Now choose your flying date. So say this Friday to say coming back Sunday. Click continue. and then we want to go ahead and click on search. We can add a hotel there as well if you like. Now I suggest going from sort by, so we can check out the price per person, total journey time, departure time. So say if I want to leave morning, I'm going to click departure time. Now once you've found your flight, say I want this one here, I'm going to click into it, click select. Also, we can click on filters, and if you've got a particular airline you want to use, or the one you don't want to use, for me, I'm not a big fan of Jetstar, so I don't want to use them, or that one. So I'm going to click on show all, either Qantas or Virgin for me. Now I just want to do direct only, and departure from Sydney, say, oh, yeah, I want to do that early start. Arrival, don't need to worry about that, and click on apply. Now say I want to use this one here from Virgin, I want to select it. Now on the next page, we want to put in our contact details again, like before. Now we need to put in passenger 1 details, and then passenger 2. And from there we got flight upgrades. Then we got add-ons, and then travel insurance. You want to add in travel insurance, you go ahead and do that. Keep scrolling down, you click continue, and then you should be able to select your seat if you want. If you don't, you can go ahead and click on next. Then basically from there, you're going to have to put in your payment method. Then you're going to get an email confirmation, and also your trip's going to be placed in your Agoda account. Now, if we click onto deals, this is where all your deals are going to appear here. So I recommend checking out these every so often, because you might find some good savings inside of deals. We've also got promos and coupons we can have a look at. And if we click onto more, this is going to show us our status inside of Agoda. So obviously I just created this account, so I'm a bronze member. And we can see our coupons inside of here, cashback rewards, Agoda cash. Now you collect cashback rewards and Agoda cash. Every time you make a booking or a trip, you're going to collect a bit of that stuff. And from here we can edit our profile. We've got property messages here, we got saved, any saved hotels are going to appear here. You've also can view your saved card details inside my saved cards and your reviews you put on. And then keep scrolling down, we can change our language here. Price display, we've got currency. If you want to change that from Australian dollar to something else, you can inside of there. We can turn notifications, and also they've got the help center here, so if you need any help, go ahead and click onto the help center. And if you ever need to delete your account, you're going to find that inside of this setting as well.